Understanding data cabling, the backbone of digital communication. Data cabling, also known as structured cabling or Ethernet cabling, serves as the essential physical infrastructure that connects various devices, enabling seamless communication and data exchange. This document delves into the significance of data cabling in a business's digital framework, the types of cables utilized, and the best practices for installation to ensure optimal performance and reliability. Overview of data cabling. Data cabling is a critical component of modern business operations, facilitating communication between computers, phones, and other network-enabled devices. It comprises various types of cables, connectors, and hardware that link individual equipment to a centralized hub, such as a server room or telecom closet. These cables are strategically routed behind walls, above ceiling tiles, and under raised flooring to maintain an organized and efficient workspace. Common types of data cables. Ethernet cables. Ethernet cables are the most prevalent type of data cabling used in local area networks, LANs. They are engineered to transmit data at high speeds over short to medium distances, making them ideal for connecting devices within an office or building. Twisted pair cables. Twisted pair cables utilize a pair of twisted copper cores to reduce signal degradation. One core is responsible for transmitting information, while the other serves as a grounding wire, enhancing the cable's performance and reliability. Cat6A cables. Cat6A cables are thicker, heavier, and more expensive than standard cables, offering data transmission speeds of up to 10 Gbps for distances up to 100 meters. They are often selected for their future-proof capabilities, ensuring that businesses can accommodate increasing data demands over time. Best practices for data cabling installation. Proper preparation and installation of data cabling are crucial for ensuring a reliable network. Here are some essential steps to follow. Remove clutter and old cabling. Clear the installation site of any unnecessary items and outdated cabling to create a clean workspace. Clear work areas and pathways. Ensure that all work areas and pathways are unobstructed to facilitate a smooth installation process. Check for adequate airflow. Verify that there is sufficient airflow in the installation area to prevent overheating of equipment. Install mounts and raceways. Use mounts and raceways to organize and route cabling effectively, minimizing the risk of damage and ensuring easy access for future maintenance. Acquire necessary permits. Ensure that all required permits are obtained before beginning the installation to comply with local regulations. Coordinate with other affected trades. Collaborate with other trades involved in the installation process to avoid conflicts and ensure a cohesive setup. By adhering to these best practices, businesses can establish a robust data cabling infrastructure that supports their digital communication needs effectively.